Kirsten again. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Children's Library Instagram feed to add books and information to your database. So I'm going to go and use the other side, and here we've got an image, but on this side you can actually copy and paste the information. So I could paste the information in. I've got it organized so it's in alphabetical order, so the book automatically moves into its place. Let's copy Jacqueline Woodson in, and of course you can also add and Jacqueline Woodson is already in there, so I just click on her name. I can add a cover later, and now we'll add some topics. I was going to say you can also add a column for illustrators and publishers. So if you go to this arrow, you can see here you've got insert left, insert right, and that will add a new column, and here is where you fill in what type of column you want. So I wrote down the tags that I had written and on the picture. So I'm going to start adding those. Now I know there were a couple that weren't on the list. So as I write personal narrative, you can see here that the option becomes available. And if I click that and then go back up here, you can see that that option has been added down at the bottom. So now I can add a tag to any of these books for personal narrative. I can also go back here and look at what I've written. So if I copy tolerance and click on the plus sign and copy that in, then tolerance, you can see that is already an option in here. So you can use the information within my Instagram posts to add information quite quickly. Obviously you can't copy and paste from the image, but the information that's in the image is usually within the breakdown, normally in the second paragraph. And what you can also do is, if you think, oh, those questions are really useful, you can copy them and then add it into the notes section. And then in here, you've got those questions for later. Maybe you want to use them in a lesson, or if you're a librarian, you want to share those with a teacher if they have requested that particular book. So there are obviously lots of blank spaces on this database, but that's deliberate, so you can adapt it to how you would like it. We all work differently. And I mentioned in another video that it's not about having a database where every box is full. Mine isn't full, and I've been using mine for 2 years. So just add the information in as you find it. And what you may find is that you've got 10 minutes in your classroom and you can pick some books up and you can add them. Or if you're a teacher librarian, maybe a teacher has asked for books on a particular topic, and you may want to add all those books in at the same time. And even if you only add one tag, you've got those books in there and you can always add the tags later. So it's just a work in progress, and I hope you find it useful. And I would love to hear what you have done to your databases and how you've changed them from how I use it.